Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss some of the key terms used in the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your knowledge, understanding these terms is essential for successful investing. Let's get started. The stock market is a complex world, full of technical jargon and specialized terminology that can be difficult to understand. However, by learning some of the key terms used in the industry, you can gain a better understanding of how the stock market works and how to make informed investment decisions. Part 1: Stocks and Bonds. Stocks and bonds are the two main types of investments in the stock market. Stocks represent a share of ownership in a company, while bonds represent a loan to a company or government entity. Investors can buy and sell stocks and bonds on various exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. Part 2: Dividends and Yield. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders as a portion of its profits. Yield is a measure of the return on an investment, typically expressed as a percentage. The yield on a stock can be calculated by dividing its annual dividend by its share price. Part 3: Market cap and price to earnings ratio. Market capitalization, or market cap, is a measure of a company's size, calculated by multiplying the number of outstanding shares by the current stock price. Price to earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a valuation ratio that compares a company's stock price to its earnings per share. Part 4: Bull and bear market. A bull market is a period of time when the stock market is rising, and investor confidence is high. A bear market, on the other hand, is a period of time when the stock market is falling, and investor confidence is low. So, that's it for our discussion on stock market terminology. We hope this video has helped you understand some of the key terms used in the stock market, and how they can affect your investments. Remember, investing in the stock market is a complex and ever-changing world, and it's important to do your research, understand the risks, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.